time to battle it out. So you just brushed up on your multiplying skills, so you need to go find a partner. Now I know someone might not be exactly at the same point as you, but if they're close, then I would go ahead and plan on partnering up with them. So be aware of the people around you because you do need a partner. At the top, you're going to put your name and then your partner's name. However, you might notice in your packet that there is an A on one of the sheets, and then on the next sheet there's a B. So one partner picks A, will be their playing page that they use, and then the other partner will pick B, and that is the playing side or paper they will use. So you only need one of these for yourself. The partner will use the other. So you pick which one you're going to do. So you have both in your packet, but when you're with your partner, decide who's going to be the A paper and who is going to be the B paper, okay? So one of these papers will not get used in your packet, to be very, very clear. So whichever page you're picking, like let's say I decide to be A, I'm going to put my name and then my partner's name over here. Let's say I decide that I am the B page, then I put my name here, put my partner's name here. Okay, very clear. So here's how the game works. You solve the problem, okay, that's on your page. So if this is my page, I can pick any of these. I don't have to start with one. Pick a problem, you solve that problem, and then whatever your answer is going to be on the other person's ship. Either on the ship down here somewhere, and I know it's covering up a little, I'm sorry, or off. So if it's on the ship, just like in Battleship, like the actual game, if it's on the ship, that is a hit, which is what you want to try and sink their ship. Or if it's off the ship, then it is a miss, okay? So if you tell them a number and it's not on their page, then you either made a mistake in your math, or maybe you are accidentally doing the wrong page, okay? So just double check that one of you is on the A page, one of you is on the B page when you're solving your problems. Again, like let's say I was partnered up with someone and I'm doing A, I'm going to pick one of these problems and I solve it. So then let's say my answer is 5.2. Okay, let's say that's what I tell them is their answer. So I do problem whatever, and I get the answer of 5.2. I'm going to ask my partner, and I'm going to say, all right, here's my answer, 5.2. They're going to look on their boat or on their paper and see if they see that answer. So if you look right here, it's 5.2. So that would be a miss. So I would cross that off so that you know you've already gotten it, and you would just tell them miss. So the responses you should give to your partner are either hit, because it hit the boat, miss, because it didn't hit the boat, or I don't have that number on my page. You need to try again, okay? Now, you don't have to wait for your partner. It doesn't have to be 1 and 1, right? Like, you want to try and sink their ship. So the more problems you do, the more opportunities you're going to have to sink their ship. So you're both kind of working independently, but the partner aspect is you're trying to sink the other person's ship. So you got to ask them if they have a certain number as they're doing it, okay? If you have any problems with this, please change your color to yellow or red if it's truly stopping your learning, and one of us can help you, either myself or another classmate who has done this, okay? Again, you are trying to sink their ship. One person should be A, one person should be B. Write your names at the top. That is kind of like the signal that you did it. And then if you do, whoever sinks it first, game is over. You move on to the next thing. Okay? Good luck. Enjoy. Sink that ship.